Hey there, burger lovers. Are you ready to sink your teeth into the juiciest, most mouth-watering hamburger you've ever tasted? Well, get your aprons on because today we're diving into the world of homemade hamburgers that'll make your taste buds dance with joy. First things first, let's talk about the star of the show, the patty. You'll want to start with high-quality ground beef, preferably with a fat content of around 20%. This ensures your burger stays nice and juicy. Now, here's a pro tip. Don't overwork the meat when you're forming your patties. Gently shape them into rounds about half an inch thick and slightly larger than your buns as they'll shrink a bit during cooking. Before we hit the grill, let's add some flavor. Sprinkle a generous amount of salt and freshly ground black pepper on both sides of your patties. If you're feeling adventurous, you can mix in some minced garlic, finely chopped onions, or even a dash of Worcestershire sauce for an extra kick. Now it's time to fire up that grill. Make sure it's nice and hot before you place your patties on. For a medium rare burger, you'll want to cook each side for about 3 to 4 minutes. Remember, resist the urge to press down on the patties with your spatula. That'll just squeeze out all those delicious juices we're trying to keep. While your burgers are sizzling away, let's prep our buns. A toasted bun can take your burger from good to great. Lightly butter the inside of your buns and place them face down on the grill for about 30 seconds, or until they're golden brown and slightly crispy. As your burger's near perfection, it's time to think about cheese. If you're a cheese lover, and who isn't, place a slice of your favorite cheese on top of each patty during the last minute of cooking. Cover the grill to help it melt into gooey goodness. Now comes the fun part, assembly. Start with your toasted bottom bun and place your cheesy patty on top. Then it's time to let your creativity shine with toppings. Classic options include crisp lettuce, juicy tomato slices, and thinly sliced red onions. For sauce, you can't go wrong with a combo of ketchup and mustard, or maybe a zesty mayo for something different. But why stop there? Feel free to get creative with your toppings. How about some crispy bacon, tangy pickles, or even a fried egg for that extra wow factor? The possibilities are endless. Once you've piled on your toppings, crown your creation with the top bun, and voila! You've just created a hamburger masterpiece that would make any fast food joint jealous. Now, here is a little secret for taking your burger game to the next level. Let your burgers rest for a couple of minutes before serving. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is as succulent as possible. Remember, the key to a great hamburger is quality ingredients and a little bit of love. Don't be afraid to experiment with different cheese varieties, unique sauces, or even different types of meat like turkey or veggie patties for your health-conscious friends. And there you have it, folks. Your guide to crafting the perfect homemade hamburger. Whether you're grilling for a summer barbecue or just treating yourself to a delicious dinner, these tips will help you create a burger that's sure to impress. So fire up that grill, gather your ingredients, and get ready to bite into burger bliss. Happy cooking and even happier eating.